Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this clipsal 2025 USB charging block, which is homemade. Okay, now in earlier videos I showed you the horizontal versions, okay, and then I showed you a horizontal version with 6 ports, which was the deluxe version, but this one here is the same as that one, except this one's the vertical format. Okay, so for this one here, I took a clipsal 2025V with an extra switch. Okay, and I used that. Okay, and then I put a clipsal 6-gang plate with 630 USB mechanisms in it. Okay, and that's how I built it. Okay, I'm going to use these HPM surface mount blocks as well. Okay, and a piece of plywood for a back. Alright, so this is a deluxe size because this one has 6 ports. In an earlier video I showed you another vertical one with only 1 power point, okay, and 3 ports. Okay, so this one here you got 2 points and you got 6 ports. So this is more of a deluxe size. Okay, so with this one here I can charge 6 devices at a time. Okay, so this allows me to charge 6 mobile phones or 6 tablets, 6 laptops or whatever at a time using simple USB type A cables, and I can also plug 2 things into it. Okay, now these USB mechanisms are only for charging. They're not for you don't use flash drives on these because you can wreck your flash drive. Okay, anything that you would use on your computer apart from charging you wouldn't use on this. Okay, so you don't use those Bluetooth sticks, you don't use flash drives. Okay, you don't use anything along those lines on this because you'll damage them. Okay, so this is for charging cables. You can also use it to plug in USB powered lights and coolers, because that's what I do. Okay, and it works fine. So I would never use a flash drive on this, okay, to be safe. Alright, the same would apply for the other ones that I have as well. Okay. So once again, it was an expensive project because this is about nearly $300 worth of a part here. So I had to purchase this. Now originally this only had 4 ports, which was made by Delta. Okay, then I replaced it with this clipsal 6 one because that way I can have 6 ports. So I got 2 more ports, and it makes it helpful. Now my dad actually uses this out in our computer area for charging his phone and his tablet. So having the additional ports is helpful. Okay, and once again, it just plugs into your standard 240 volt household power supply, so you can simply just plug it in, plug your phone in, and away you go. Okay, the USBs are controlled by this additional switch here, so that turns this on and off. So when that's up, that is off, and when it's down, it's on. These 2 switches just turn the power points on and off. Okay, so and it's got this Velcro on the back because there's a mount that we just push it onto, and it just clicks onto the wall. All right. So that is the deluxe vertical version of the clipsal PowerPoint. Okay, charging block that I built. So hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.